Hello everyone, welcome to Text Corner. Thanks for watching. I've uploaded a few videos showing how you can create some nice animated text for Lumafusion. If you feel like it, please go and check it out. I'll leave the link down in the description. On today's video, I'm going to show you yet another way how you can create animated titles for your Lumafusion videos in a very easy way and, best of all, for free. It's not really a tutorial but more a walkthrough of how I do it. Let's go then. Okay, so to create the animated titles, I need to open the Keynote app. This is really a great app that comes for free with your iPad, iPhone and Mac. You should explore it because it even allows you to create great intros and outros for your videos. Today, I'll create two different animations so you can see all the things that you can do with this app. After I open the app, I select Create Presentation and then choose a theme. I have plenty of templates to choose from, but for the first example, I'm going to choose Basic White. I'll have to delete all this. Now that I have a blank canvas to work with, on the top right I'm going to press this plus button. And I select Text. If I press this brush icon, I'll be able to format text to my wishes. Once I'm happy, I'll write my text. Now I'm adding a second text to place under the first text and I follow the same steps to format it. It looks good this way. It's time to animate my text. I'll start with the first word. As you can see, once I select Animate Text, it opens the menu down here. This menu will allow me to set the animations for my text. Let's set the built-in. So there are different options to build in this text. If I click on one of them, it will preview the animation. I've got to know these options, so I already know which one I want. I want this one, Fly In. For the second word, I'll do the same, but I'll choose the keyboard animation. And I'm already halfway in. I need to adjust a few things first. So I want this second word to show after the first one. And also, it seemed that the animation on the first word could take a bit longer. So let's start with that. I select the word so I can see the animation set to it. I click on the fly in and a new menu pops up here and I can refine the animation to my wishes. I want it to take 2 seconds and showing from the left is fine and also start on tap. Let's see how it looks. Much better. Let's refine the animation for the second word. I'll decrease the duration to 2 seconds. Forward it's fine and I want the cursor on. Now, I want to start it not on tap, but after the animation from the first word ends. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. I can leave it as it is and set the way it blends off in Lumafusion, or I could do it here. For this example, I will leave it as it is and set the rest in Lumafusion. Okay, let's create the second animation. So I'll select Create Presentation, choose a theme, but now I'll choose Basic Black. Again, I'll delete all this. And now it's time to add my text and format it. Once I'm done, let's go and animate it. For the built-in, I'll choose the keyboard. Let's set the duration. That's fine. In this animation, I'll set how it fades off here, so when I use it in Lumafusion, I don't have to care about it. For that, I'll add a build out. Once again, there are plenty of options to choose from. I can choose the keyboard again, which would erase the written words and it will look nice, especially if I set it to go backwards. Because I want the words to stay visible for a little while before they are removed, I set it to start after build on, but with a delay of 2 seconds. Let's see how it looks. It looks nice. Now that I have my animated titles, what do I have to do so I can use them on Lumafusion? It's quite simple. The Keynote app can export my project as a video that I can use after as I wish. To do so, on the top right corner I select these 3 dots and after Export. Here I select Movie. I can even set the resolution and frame rate of the video. Once I'm done, I click Export. I can save it to the camera roll or even into Lumafusion directly. All set. It's time to open my project in Lumafusion. Here, I'll bring the animated title to the timeline. I can leave it just as it is, or I can play around it with the different blending settings or Luma key settings until I find one that I feel is the best one for my project. For example, in the blend mode menu, I find that the best options to set are Screen, Silhouette Luma or Alpha, Stencil Luma or Alpha, or even Luminosity. Or in the alternative, in the Color and Effects menu, I can play with the key options. So there you go. This is one of the easiest ways to create animated titles for Lumafusion using a free app that you already have installed on all of your Apple devices. I've tried to do the same with the Microsoft alternative app, the Microsoft PowerPoint, but I wasn't able to export animations as a video file. But please let me know in the comments below if this is an option available. The way around that I found is by screen recording the presentation and after importing that video into my project. I honestly find that using the Keynote app is better because I don't need this extra step. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you at my next video.